Crime scenes like this have become all too common in Surrey. And as the debate of a municipal police force polarizes residents, these Sikh and Hindu leaders say the province needs to fast-track the transition. Executives from 7 temples representing large institutions within the South Asian community say their community is disproportionately affected by gang violence.
Our congregation got hurt, our devotee got hurt. So that's not a political issue. It's a common issue for every citizen of Surrey.
The religious leaders say a Surrey police force has widespread community support.
Thank you, sir.
Meanwhile, at Surrey City Hall today, Keep the RCMP and Surrey supporters say their petition against the plan has gathered more than 8,000 signatures. Ivan Scott, whose son is an RCMP officer, believes the plan disrespects the Mounties.
You have a police force that is absolutely professional, that has been underfunded for years, has not been had the number of people that are required here, because we've had an increase in population here of, I think it's about 10,000 a year for years now.
Other supporters feel there's been too much secrecy around the mayor's transition plan.
The RCMP have done a great job, and Mr. McCallum hasn't been really truthful on the cost, and I think it's going to add a lot to the taxpayers.
Mayor McCallum wasn't available to comment on the budget for his plan, but the religious executives believe the additional cost for a city police force is well worth it.
If it's only exceeding by 10%, it's not too much. And if we compare how much per capita all cities are investing on their citizens, so Surrey is on the lowest numbers.
The minister answered the letter from the temples, saying while the plan provides a sound concept for a policing model, there are several elements that require more detail prior to evaluation. The province received Surrey's proposal last month. There is no timetable as to when a final decision will be made. Eva Yugwen Senj, CBC News, Surrey.